just enjoy the ambiance. There's a set of steps here that I've walked down before. It's a nice day, even with the river being in a minor flood state. My curiosity makes me wonder if those pipes sticking up out of the ground at an angle there are they not the water sensor at Napoleon? Stream gauging station. Yeah, that's what that is. This is the sensor, Maggie, that I've been checking every 3 hours or more. It's interesting. Hi, Maggie. This, unfortunately, is cropland. Specifically, this is where I used to come last year to walk. I'm trying to get over here where I can see. That's a lot of soybean and corn. And see that fish fighting over there? This is where I used to walk. It looks like a lake now. But really it's the Missouri River. I really hope that it doesn't get any higher than this. Way out there. I used to walk through there. I hope the wind noise isn't bad. See this? That's why I hate bow fishing. It's illegal to fish off the bridge, I'm pretty sure. But bow fishing, they fish it with a bow, kill it, and then just leave the carcass to stink. It's a waste. It's a sin. Just my opinion. But when the wind's right, I can smell it all the way back at my house. Fish jump. So, there's the road from Wellington to Lexington. And more farm cropland underwater on either side of the road. I'm really hoping this is as high as it gets. It's not too far from, it's certainly not too far from my house. It's too close. Looks like it's become a tourism spot again for people to come down here today. So you can see it's just touching the bottom of the rail bridge in places. One last thing to check today. This is where that skink, blue-tailed, blue-striped skink was yesterday. When I first came down here, I saw him. Don't see them now. Anyway, that's it. Pray that the water goes down.